The control panel switch on the main operator console turns on and off the electrical power to the machine. To turn on the machine, make sure all emergency stop buttons are out. The touchscreen will display a prompt to start and home the system. If any conditions preventing the machine from homing are present, a warning message will appear. Press the green Cycle Start button on the center control panel to home the machine. Turn on the air to your machine. There are 3 individual cycle start controls: hinge and lock, hinge only, and lock only. The center control panel also contains the door hand selector switch. Changing the door hand selector after the machine has clamped a door will cause the machine to unclamp the door and reposition it according to the selector setting. Load a door into the machining center manually or with a Norfield loader. Once the door is positioned and clamped, insert a jam into the machine and reference it against the jam stop. Clamp the jam by pressing the clamp button. Press the Cycle Start button to initiate the machining cycle. During the machining cycle, position the hinges on the hinge applicators. Once the machining cycle is complete, attach the hinges by pulling the hinge applicator lever. Press the foot pedal to eject the door into the assembly center.